plus any other number equals the 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 2 is 4. This is the net submission I'm making based on 51 key text key language and not even the, I'll come to that, my lord, if I may complete my formulation.
जैसे मखदूम साहब ने कहा कि शामिल होने के लिए कुछ न कुछ होना चाहिए.
Yes, my lord, and shamil is the word. Shamil is, my Urdu is terrible, but shamil is include. That is include, which is used in the text of the Constitution. There's got to be something to include into. You can't include into a vacuum. And you can't include into zero. As straightforward as that. That's what the language of the Constitution is saying, my lord.
I think please proceed.
Formulation number 3, my lord. It's at page 10 for the Honorable Chief Justice. The scheme of the Constitution and the Elections Act envisage and recognize only 3 classes. And my lord, I'll correct myself for Mr. Justice Munib that we can reduce these to 2 also, maybe. My lord, I agree with my lord's observation that I could reduce these to 2 also, probably.
Well, because the binary aspect.
I bow to my lord, my lord.
That's your submission.
And only 3 classes of contesting candidates in general elections. 1, candidates contesting on general seats under a common election symbol. 2, candidates contesting elections on general seats as independent candidates who have been allotted a symbol from the pool for independent candidates. And 3, candidates contesting elections on reserved seats for women or for non-Muslims.
ये आप इस पे आ जाए जरा.
There is no 4th category.
आप ये 1 पे आ जाए दोबारा. ये candidate contesting election general seats under a common election symbol.
That means
ये कहाँ से ये बात कहाँ से आ गई?
My lord, ये
एक कैटेगरी तो 67, 66 में कि पार्टी एफिलिएटेड कैंडिडेट.
So my lord, वो मैं यही my lord, मैं यही
बुला रहा हूँ.
वो दोनों चीजें उसने लेनी है ना my lord. उसने पहले
वो पढ़ेंगे फिर पता चलेगा.
मैं पढ़ूंगा. I'll come to this.
67 में 2 बातें लिखी हैं. पढ़े 67 में इंडिपेंडेंट
जी
और पार्टी एफिलिएटेड
जी.
That's all.
And my lord,
there is no mentioning of symbol.
My lord, मैं अभी आ जाऊँ उस पे या मैं
नोट करें आप.
I note this and I definitely have to address this point for my lord.
चल.
There's no 4th category. The scheme of the Constitution and the Elections Act does not envisage nor recognize any so-called class of, in inverted commas, my lord, ex-party backed. This should, I beg your pardon, my lord, say independent candidates. Ex-party backed, independent candidates. My lord, please may make a correction by hand. This term, my lord, ex-party backed independents has no basis in the Constitution, no basis in the Elections Act. And just as an officer of this court and a citizen, my recollection, personal recollection, is that it appeared on the night of the election when the results were being announced. And it was an expression coined by the media to explain the results. There is no such thing as ex-party backed, and let me be specific, PTI backed independents.
कहते हैं कि पार्टी सपोर्ट कर भी ले तो उसका स्टेटस एज इंडिपेंडेंट चेंज नहीं होता.
सर नहीं, मैं कह रहा हूं कि यहाँ आप इंडिपेंडेंट हो गए, यू आर इंडिपेंडेंट.
सपोर्ट तो कर सकते हैं इंडिपेंडेंट को, कोई भी पार्टी सपोर्ट कर सकती है, लेकिन हिज स्टेटस शेल रिमेन एज इंडिपेंडेंट बट सब्सिक्वेंटली मे जॉइन द पार्टी. लेकिन वो बैठ के आप इस तरह के लिए सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं. इलेक्शन में मैं सपोर्ट करता हूँ, इंडिपेंडेंट को सपोर्ट करता हूँ. ये पाबंदी तो नहीं है कोई.
ये my lord, if the support is political in some sense, yes.
Not
what I mean is that he got a party affiliation certificate and a common election symbol if relevant. That's what I mean. आपने उनको गाड़ियां फराहम करनी है इलेक्शन के दिन. It's not my business. The moment a candidate contesting for a general seat fails to submit a party affiliation certificate for allotment of by the returning officer of the common election symbol of the relevant political party within the period prescribed by the ECP in the election program, such candidate loses all characteristics of being a member of such enlisted contesting political party.
ये आप कहाँ से कह रहे हो? relevant law बताएंगे.
वही my lord 66 and 67 और मैंने my lord ये टेबल में if my lord sees मैंने ये हर फॉर्मुलेशन के आगे what I thought were the most relevant either directly as in express they cover or implied
इसके सामने नहीं,
सारे sections लिखे हुए हैं
इसके सामने नहीं लिखा।
my lord वो ऊपर जो लिखे हैं वो वही अप्लाई करते हैं I know the table looks empty at the bottom but वो ऊपर ही लिख दिए हैं क्योंकि वो 3-4 sections थे तो वो पूरा टेबल blank लगता है but it applies to the whole thing
मिस्टर सिकंदर
sir
ये बताइए जो ये फॉर्म आए थे इनके नॉमिनेशन के
जी
उसके साथ जो एफिलिएशन
मतलब किन का फॉर्म जो
पीटीआई के जो
जी 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 जी
उनके इलेक्शन के जो नॉमिनेशन फॉर्म्स थे
जी सर
उनके साथ जो एफिलिएशन टिकट किसके थे पीटीआई के बैक थे या नजरियाती के थे
My lord, I am going to, if I may, because I think this may open another series of questions. So, मैं ये खत्म
इसमें
करके,
आपका ये जो
जी,
आपका
my lord, मैं ये खत्म करके,
पार्ट ऑफ योर फॉर्मुलेशन
yes,
you have mentioned
I will,
something
I agree.
gone
My lord, what I'm saying is कि मैं अभी ये formulations 2 सफे रह गए 3 ये पढ़ के the next thing I come to
basic
I will take my
confusion you see in our
exactly
mind.
so my lord the next thing I'll take my lord
जरा
to
देख लीजिए।
is a whole set of nomination papers of a PTI former PTI candidate
Whether
and
it is for
right from
PTI
his nomination paper to when he was returned or he lost.
This for PTI or PTI नजरियाती this is
My lord, ये है ना there is a
अगर उनकी
confusion. There is
application
a
PTI
two-step-
नजरियाती की थी तो वो फिर PTI की
My lord,
नहीं थी।
actually हुआ ये है, but I'll just read it, but just for to give some answer to my lord.
ठीक है
First,
note down this
the
note
form-
down कर
अच्छा जी,
आप note
My lord, I'm addressing this the next.
Please.
बिल्कुल.
please
You show me the form. My lord, the answer to my lord's question is just coming up in a sense. In the context of the titled appeal, my lord, I'll substantiate this in a moment. I'm just reading it now. So I'll substantiate this from the nomination form. Thank you, my lord. In the context of the titled appeal, members of the PTI first submitted nomination forms in which the declaration on oath of person nominated stated that such candidates belong to the PTI. The PTI party affiliations certificate was to be submitted as per election schedule by no later than 24/12/24. My lord, this actually should be, and I beg your pardon, this is 13-1 actually. 2023.
इसमें आ गया ना पेज 12 को पढ़ी ना इसी में लिखा
जी, exactly, my lord. This is why I was saying कि आपका जवाब भी आ जाएगा. On 13/1/2023, candidates who had earlier submitted above.
Just 1 minute.
I'm sorry.
है कि ये जो 24/12/2024 है ये गलत है.
ये गलत है. It should be 13-1.
13/1/2020.
Yes, my lord. This is my
अगली जो डेट है वो 13/1/2024 है.
बिल्कुल जी.
ये डेट जो आपने देखी
My lord, ये मैंने गलत लिखी है. I take responsibility. This is a typo on my part.
13/1/2024 तक जमा
It was a
कर
late night and जी
पार्टी टिकट्स
13 तक करने थे जैसे मैंने जनाब को बताया serial number 7 of the election program. On 13/1/2024,
सिकंदर साहब,
Sir.
it was serial number 8, withdrawal of candidature and publication of revised list of candidates, and the date is 12th January. Date is very crucial.
जी सर 9 पढ़े 9 relevant है
9 तो बात की बात.
जी नहीं सर allotment of
आप पढ़ को लीजिए ना पहले ये पैराग्राफ पढ़
सर ये 9 पे होता है
पढ़ लेना पहले.
अगर आप ये 9 पे होना है I will demonstrate it to you कि ये 9 is 13th was the date. Very clear about it.
12 भी जरा देखिए.
ये पैराग्राफ पढ़ लें इससे थोड़ा कंफ्यूजन दूर हो जाता है
जी
ना
सर.
पढ़
Thank
लेंगे
you.
on 30
Sir, I'll come back, my lord. On 13/1/2024, I have made a mistake
when
there
you-
also. Candidates who had earlier submitted above mentioned nomination forms submitted signed declarations on oath to the concerned returning officers seeking allotment of common election symbol of an entirely different political party, namely the Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf Nazriyati, PTI-N. That's what happened, and that's the answer to my lord. A party affiliation certificate of PTIN was enclosed with such applications.
If I may, इधर यहाँ आप पार्क कर लें मेरे सवाल. Did they file
Declaration on
declaration on behalf of PTI, the original PTI? Yes or no?
But not on behalf of. They say I belong to PTI. Yes. Yes.
दो चीजें हैं ना.
Yes.
उनने declaration दी अपने
In the
nomination
form.
में साथ एक certificate दिया.
नहीं दिया. हुआ ये सर मैं अभी से explain
Doesn't नहीं मत करें.
नहीं अभी सर 1 मिनट 1 सेकंड लगेगा. It's very important to clarify. यही तो अभी मैंने मंसूर अली शाह साहब मिस्टर जस्टिस मंसूर अली शाह को के रिस्पॉन्स में एक्सप्लेन कर दिया था। 24 तारीख तक सर उन्होंने नॉमिनेशन फॉर्म जमा कराना था जिसके अंदर उन्होंने लिखना है आई बिलोंग टू एक्स,
वो कर दिया।
और उसके साथ आगे लिखा होता है लाइक माय लॉर्ड पॉइंटेड आउट दैट्स अ मिस्टेक इन द फॉर्म दैट माय पार्टी एफिलिएशन सर्टिफिकेट इज अटैच्ड। दैट्स नॉट अटैच्ड, दैट इज ऑलवेज अटैच्ड all the way down on the 13th for allocation of symbol. So when they
मैं
find the
आपसे
forms
सिंपल
in-
सवाल पूछ रहा
Finally क्या
हूँ,
हुआ?
मुझे ये बताएं क्या जो अभी आए
फाइनली
हैं
ये हुआ, उन्होंने अप्लाई किया कि हमें आप इंडिपेंडेंट का टिकट दें।
उनने कोई पीटीआई के सर्टिफिकेट जमा किए हैं या नहीं किए?
नेवर, नहीं, मेरे रिकॉर्ड पे कोई नहीं है पीटीआई का टिकट। पीटीआई
के certificate।
का है, पीटीआई
नजरियाती का है,
का
नजरियाती।
पार्टी एफिलिएशन टिकट है।
No, I'm not asking about N. I'm talking about
no,
PTI.
no,
They have-
no, I have not seen it.
अच्छा,
I have not seen it.
Please carry on. Please carry on.
फिर ये कह रहे हैं अभी गलत कह रहे हैं तो
No,
they can reply
doesn't
on the
matter,
rebuttal.
doesn't matter.
You don't have to respond.
I'm sorry, sir. Thereafter, prior to expiry of the deadline for submission, my lord, may I now read it right from the beginning because I kind of lost my flow.
Correct.
On 13/1/2024, candidates who had earlier submitted above mentioned nomination forms submitted signed declarations on oath to the concerned returning officers seeking allotment of common election symbol of an entirely different political party, namely the Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf Nazariyati. Instead, a party affiliation certificate of PTIN was enclosed with such applications. Thereafter, prior to the expiry of the deadline for submission, this all happens on the same day, on the 13th, my lord, these three things. On 13/1, the same candidate sought withdrawal of their earlier application for allotment of election symbol of PTI-N, and thereby, by operation of law, automatically became independents. And my lord, in practice, I'll show they went and applied and they said, we want to have the symbol for
Just let me ask a
independence.
question here.
Ji.
Suppose after withdrawing the PTIN certificates as you've written, same day they had filed PTI, what do you call it?
PTIs.
PTI, what do you call this thing? Affiliation certificate, party affiliation certificate of PTI. Then according to you, according to the election commission, there would be, what do you call these people? Just let me get
Party
this, so that
affiliated
your formulation is correct. Candidates contesting on general elections under a common election symbol. Is that correct? Is that correct?
They had been issued it.
If on the same day, आपने कहा ना सब same day
They
हो
had
रहा
been
है.
issued.
अगर 13 को उन्होंने PTI-N का फाइल किया, उसी दिन विड्रॉ कर लिया, मैं आपसे अब एक अगला सवाल कर रहा हूं कि उसी दिन PTI का कर देते तो आपके मुताबिक they would then be candidates contesting on general seats under a common election
My lord,
system.
this is the answer to this takes me again to the same.
Can you use the mic?
Gee, the answer will take me again to the same. They would have to be, my answer is, if then they applied for the PTI common election symbol and were allotted that, then they would meet.
ये उनके फॉर्म पे तो लिखा हुआ है ना PTI है.
वो बिल्कुल लिखा हुआ है सर, मैंने जवाब दे दिया है सर।
आप फरमा रहे हैं कि जो फॉर्म ए है उसमें लिखा हुआ है कि उसको एक डिक्लेरेशन देनी है, whatever पार्टी दैट्स कॉल्ड इट पार्टी ए,
जी बिल्कुल।
और उस पार्टी का वो डिक्लेरेशन भी देनी है कि जी ये हमारा कैंडिडेट है. That is the law. However, putting it in legal terms, what you are telling us is that the practice that is developed, what in the case law is sometimes referred to as departmental practice, the practice that is developed is that this second point, which you call affiliations,
Party affiliation certificate.
that is actually given on the date of allocation.
जी
And that everyone accepts and EC election commission accepts.
जी। But Manoj, can I answer? I'm sorry, अभी क्वेश्चन खत्म नहीं हुआ।
I want to have clarity on what you're saying. Now that party affiliation certificate symbol or whatever this thing is comes from the party.
That's right.
Hence, now coming back to this thing, on the 13th, if these candidates who had first filed a PTIN application or certificate, then on the same day withdrew it, suppose on that very day they had then submitted a party affiliation certificate of PTI, you would be happy with that. You would say, okay, you are a PTI candidate.
Not by submission of their application. The condition would only be met if they were allotted it.
The symbol,
GG, symbol would, it's my lord, I'm answering my lord's question.
आप कह रहे हैं कि जब
I'm directly answering it
आप
अपनी
कह
तरफ
रहे हैं
से.
कि जब तक हम अलॉट ना करें वो नहीं बनता.
जब तक वो allot नहीं होता, in accordance with
कौन
law.
करता है?
In
आपका
accordance with law.
learned counsel
As a matter of fact, हुआ था या नहीं हुआ?
नहीं हुआ.
नहीं,
Bas
as a matter of
we
fact,
leave it- we leave it
exact
to him.
opposite हुआ.
अच्छा.
They said, sir,
Did they
again,
ever-
if I have 10 minutes, this cat will.
नहीं, as a matter of fact बता दें.
As a matter of fact, their form said we belong to PTIN.
So did they file
had,
this party
sir, मैं
certificate?
अभी 1 minute में आ रहा
जी
हूँ.
जी आ जाए.
Their form said
said what?
24 तारीख का form कहता है I belong to PTI.
ठीक.
I will give my party affiliation certificate by the 13th, which they're allowed to. On the 13th, they come and they say, they submit a party affiliation certificate of PTIN.
ठीक.
Then on the same day, they say, no, we gave this in good faith. Please return this to me.
ठीक.
And I will now read the learned
फिर क्या
counsel.
किया उन्होंने?
Return this to me and give me the symbol for an independent candidate.
Did they give you party affiliation certificate of PTI? Solicitor. No.
Never, sir, I का तो PTI simpliciter जो है, उसका मैंने कभी party affiliation certificate with their nomination form नहीं देखा हुआ. I'm making this statement.
रिप्लेस नहीं हुआ.
अंदर
देखिए मेरा
सिकंदर, I have a question.
कि अगर इधर देखिए here he is not.
There's a lot of murmurs happening here, so I'm getting a bit distracted.
अगर वो PTI का वो symbol या जो भी whatever form you call it, if it had been, I understand it was not filed, but if it had been filed, that would have sufficed. Why not?
No, my lord,